sailors, my name is Chiara.
My name is Rifai.
And today we're going to fly. But recently I was having music classes, so you don't believe what I shout. So we're going to fly around the blue railing here, which is, I think, a scary idea for me to do because I hate flying. So I'm already up there. I'm feeling a bit scared right now. She's going on it, and look. It looks not kind of scary at all because I'm brave. Let's do this, China. 大家好，今天我要飞。So yeah, brand new. Thank you, pa. Wow! Mr. Wee! Mr. Wee! Help me, Mr. Wee! Help me! Mr. Wee! Help me! Save me, Mr. Wee! This thing is going so fast! Okay guys, so right now I escaped from the playground. I look so tired already. So I'm gonna stop the video here. Bye!
Apa dibuat penyeri muka? Apa dibuat sayang penyeri muka?